If you've ever wanted to play the hidden Chrome Dino game without waiting for your internet to go down, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the Dino game while online in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a fun little Easter egg built right into Chrome, and once you know where to find it, you can open it anytime you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is running normally and that you're on your desktop or already inside Chrome. Next, open a new tab. You can do that by clicking the plus button next to your current tab, or if you prefer a keyboard shortcut, just press Ctrl and T at the same time. This will give you a fresh blank tab to work with. Now move your mouse up to the top of the window and click inside the address bar. This is the area where you normally type website addresses or search terms. Once the cursor is active, type Chrome Dino exactly as shown. Be careful not to add any spaces or extra characters, because Chrome needs that address to load the game properly. After typing it in, press Enter on your keyboard. In just a moment, Chrome will instantly bring up the hidden Dinosaur game screen. From there, you can start playing right away. If you want to begin the game, just press the spacebar and the little dinosaur will start running. Then you can jump over the cacti and keep going as long as you can. It's a simple game, but it's surprisingly addictive, and it's a great way to kill a few minutes. So to recap, open Chrome, open a new tab, click the address bar, type Chrome, Dino, and press Enter. That's all there is to it. You don't need to disconnect from the internet, and you don't need any extensions or extra software. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.